Is Airwallex a bank? Asterisk, a question that might have crossed your mind if you've been intrigued by this fintech giant. While it might seem like a bank, given its financial services, the answer isn't straightforward. Let's dive into the details. What is Airwallex? Airwallex is a global financial technology company that offers a range of financial services, including international money transfers, currency exchange, corporate cards, and more. It's designed to streamline cross-border transactions for businesses of all sizes. Why the confusion? So, why the confusion? It's because Airwallex offers many services that are traditionally associated with banks. For instance, it allows you to hold and manage multiple currencies, make international payments, and issue corporate cards. These are all features that we typically expect from a bank. The key difference: licensing. However, the key difference lies in the type of license Airwallex holds. Unlike traditional banks, Airwallex is not a licensed bank. It operates under different financial licenses, such as payment institution licenses and electronic money institution licenses. These licenses allow Airwallex to provide financial services, but they don't grant it the same privileges and protections as a fully licensed bank. The benefits of not being a bank. While not being a bank might seem like a disadvantage, it actually offers several benefits to Airwallex and its customers. Faster innovation. Fintech companies like Airwallex are often more agile and innovative than traditional banks. They can quickly adapt to changing market conditions and introduce new products and services. Lower costs. By operating as a technology company, Airwallex can often offer lower fees and better exchange rates than traditional banks. Global reach. Airwallex has a global presence, allowing it to offer services to businesses in many countries. So, is Airwallex a bank? In conclusion, while Airwallex offers many bank-like services, it's not a traditional bank. It's a fintech company that leverages technology to provide innovative financial solutions. Whether you consider Airwallex a bank or not ultimately depends on your perspective. However, it's important to understand the key differences between the two and the implications for your financial needs. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.